Hey guys, welcome back. I know from my last clip I told you guys I was leaving the hospital, so now I'm home. It has been what, 4 days? No, it has been 3 days since I've been home. So I just want to come on camera and tell you guys that I'm feeling good. I went and did a checkup yesterday, so now I just want to open some packages because I came. This is from Bath and Body Works. Your girl did some shopping before she left. It was on sale, and this is a package that was sent to me. So all I have to do is just review this package. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. So this package is from Influenster, and what I got in it is Fulfill vitamins and protein bar. So vitamin and protein bar. Oh, so this is it. They have 4 flavors. Fulfill vitamin protein bar. Whether you're crushing an all-day job with the gym in between or braving your first skydive, Fulfill is here to fuel you along the way. And because they taste good too, you can enjoy them with your cup of coffee on the sofa. So it's the bar that raises the bar. So I got 2 of the 4 flavors. This is a chocolate peanut caramel flavor, and this one is a chocolate hazelnut flavor. So this is what I got in this package. As I said before, this was sent for free to me from Influencer, just to review and give my honest review. I'm gonna put the link in the description where you guys can use my link to sign up, so you guys can get some free packages too. I've been getting a lot of, you get makeup, colognes. When I say makeup, I mean like high-end makeup, cologne, high-end cologne, Tom Ford, all of that, replica, everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one, which is from Bath and Body Works. I remember I did place an order. I got one already. I already opened it. Not me, but my daughters. They went ahead and opened it. I got 2 in that. I think I buy like 12. So this should have 10. And these are all mist. So yeah, guys. So I ordered, as I said before, I ordered 12. I already received 2, so now this should be 10. So I ordered 2 of each fragrance. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. So 10. And as I said, they were on sale. So because who's buying full items at full price? Not me. So this is a fairy tale. You know, I always buy these, but I never keep them. But this one, I'm gonna keep it because I need to pair it. I see the TikTok girlies with this. They pair it with, I don't remember, yeah, they pair it with the YSL, and I'm gonna get the YSL. So I'm gonna pair them both because they said this is like it, and I love the YSL. I just haven't got my hands on it yet. So I got 2 of these, fairy tale. I know rose, I got 2 roses. I know they smell. For other girlies who said, oh, if you shop at Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret / Pink, those are cheap stuff. Well, guess what? I love them. I love me some cheap stuff because they actually smell good. You have to get the good one. This is 1,000 Wishes. This is a what you call it now? This is a vintage. I call it a vintage. I love it, especially the 1,000 Christmas Wishes. I love that one too. But this is just a plain 1,000 Wishes. This is my first time getting the Gingham Love in the red bottle. I got the blue one before, so this is my first time. Yeah, and this smells amazing. This is my first time getting this one. And this is the blue one. It's not working. smells. This smells. They're two different colors. But they almost smell identical. That's strange. So yeah, this is all that I got from Bath and Body Works. I think the next two I got was it champagne toast? I think it was champagne toast, and those are already